Hey everybody! Wyatt and I are kicking off another What I Wore video. I have him in the sun instead of me. Poor puppy, huh? Poor puppy. Because the morning sun is coming in. It's super early on a Sunday morning. And my husband and I have a day trip planned. So we're going to hit the road. Right? Wyatt's going to stay home with my son. And Xena is, I don't know, I think she's begging for treats inside right now. So it's going to be a nice sunny day. Mid-80s, and I picked for today my jean skirt that I just got in a Trendsend, and a I don't know. My top is from Nordstrom, and I'll put the exact name for you down below. And I have on my shoes that are Calvin Klein that I just got from my Nordstrom shoe haul. And that's not for, oh, my earrings are Rocksbox. My necklace is Rocksbox. That's everything, right, Wyatt? We got it. Get you out of the sun. All right, so let's share. Let me get out of the sun. Okay, so this top is cute. It's a mesh overlay. It's over top of a solid navy, and it has this floral print, and it's a bit of a halter style, so you can see the back. And I just did a front tuck with my jean skirt, which I love this. It is like amazingly stretchy. It's the cutest skirt. And this is a full outfit. And then, because I always have a jacket because it gets cold, I have my Loft coral colored jacket to take with me and finish off the outfit. So I hope everyone has an awesome Sunday, and I will be back tomorrow with another outfit. Hey everybody, it is Monday and time for outfit of the day, and I have no sidekicks with me today. They're still in bed. What is up with that, right? So I decided to take today off because last week was just a bit too crazy for me, and I needed some time to recover. And my husband decided to take the day off too, so they're still in bed with him. What's up with that? Anyway, it's going to be a beautiful day, mid-80s, and I'm so excited to have a beautiful day off, right? So for today, I have on a dress I got from the Loft several years ago. But I like it. It's got a tropical print to it, and I wear it probably every summer since I've gotten it. It's probably at least 5 years old, I think. And then I just put on my splendid sandals with it in neutral, and that's my outfit. I have earrings on. I think I got it at the Limited years and years ago. And my Rocksbox ring that matches these blues colors. And I think that's even my jewelry for today. So here is the dress. Get out of the sun for you. So it's a nice little easy wear dress. It does zip up the side in this pretty print. And here's the back. And that's it for today. I'm keeping it simple. Here's a close-up in the sun. So I hope everyone's week starts off awesome, and I will see you tomorrow with another outfit. Hey everybody, it is Tuesday, and Wyatt, Xena, and I are here for outfit of the day. Wyatt's here too. You should be able to see him. He's sitting on the couch here beside me. So I am very casual today. I have on a top from Stitch Fix and a pair of shorts from a Wantable by Vigoss, and my shoes are by Carlos. Easy little slip-ons. And that's my outfit because I am taking it one more day off and then back to work tomorrow. So the pups are getting groomed, and I have some errands to run, and otherwise I have to do nothing. So here's my outfit for Tuesday. super casual, these Vigoss distressed jean shorts, this cute little top from Stitch Fix with the keyholes. It has a keyhole in the back. There's a V. A keyhole in the back and in the front. And this is my outfit. So I hope your week is going well, and I'll see you tomorrow with another outfit. Hey everybody, it is Wednesday, back to work, and the sidekicks are with me for outfit of the day. So I kept it simple today. I have on a dress from my latest mix and match box. I believe it's Gilli. And I have on my pink Toms sandals that you guys are so used to seeing by now because they just go with everything. And I have Glamour jewelry box, earrings, and necklace on. And I think that's my outfit for today. So let me share. So I do love this easy wear dress. It's these pretty blues, has a bit of pink through it as well as the turquoise. It's a nice length, a wrap. So I love the fit and the easy wear style. Here's the whole outfit. And there's the look. That's it for today, right? Did you show everybody you got groomed? They both got groomed yesterday, so they're looking pretty dapper. Wyatt's looking dapper. Zena's looking beautiful, right? Yes, Wyatt's going to sleep here. Look at him. Such a goofball. Hope everyone is having an awesome week, and I'll see you tomorrow with another outfit. Hey everybody, it's Thursday, time for outfit of the day. Wyatt's joining me today, but Zena has declined. It's going to be getting the 80s today, so that's nice. But I'm working and then going to my parents' house, so I'm casual today. I put on a top I got from the Loft. You're going to tell me if you guys like this when you see it. And a pair of Joe jean shorts. And I have on my snow flip-flops that you guys have seen a million times that I love. I have turquoise ones too. I probably want this color. I could switch if I wanted to, but I'm keeping it casual today. So here's my outfit. So I got this top, I think, last year or maybe even the year before. I'm trying to decide if I still like it. It's got all this pleating down the front, the little design that has these different stripes to it. It is lined, it has nice thick straps, and it's a cute top, but it has a lot of fabric, so I'm trying to decide if I want to keep it or not. So I'm going to wear it today and decide. And then these are long Joe jeans, have some distressing on them. Also very comfortable. I've had them for a couple years. I think I got them at Macy's sale one time. And this is my outfit. So here's a closer up look at this fun top. Yes, no. All right, tomorrow's Friday. I'll see you then. Hey everybody, it is Friday. I've got both sidekicks. There's Zena with me. Here's Wyatt. He's sleepy. Normally, right? It's Friday. Yay, we made it through another work week. Almost, right? It's going to be nice out today in the 80s. Sunny or partly sunny. So I'm excited about that. The weekend's supposed to be pretty nice too. And I kept it fairly simple today. I have on a skirt from the Loft. Just a little cute pull-on drawstring skirt. And my top that I got from Natalie Attired in my very last box that I thought I wasn't going to like. I ended up keeping all 5. And I decided to wear this one right away and see what I think of it. And I have on my sandals are Calvin Klein, keeping it neutral, that I kept from my Nordstrom shoe haul recently. Oh, Wyatt saw a bug. All right, so let me share. So this is a front tie top that I got in a Natalie Attired, as I said. So it does kind of have this extra piece and this tie in the front, and then it's longer in the back. So I did a back tuck instead of a front tuck this time because it looked odd hanging long in the back, and then just left the tie. And my skirt's a simple, easy, casual tie front skirt with pockets, and then I just kept neutral shoes with it since I think the top is already busy enough and the bright red of the skirt. And this is my outfit. Here's a close-up so you can see. All right, so that wraps up the work week, and I will see you tomorrow with one more outfit. Hey everybody, happy Saturday, yay weekend, right? So it's already time for outfit of the day because I'm up really early in the morning. You can see the sun's not even really up yet. And I have on for today a sundry skirt from one of my Trendsends and a bright tank top also from a Trendsend. And then I have on my something navy sandals. And I have a jean jacket because it is cold out right now. So it's not even 60 yet. It's only 56 at the moment. You can see Wyatt's over there exploring. Zena stayed in bed because, as I mentioned, it's super early. My son and I are off to early morning hair appointments because he's got to get to work. So here's my outfit. So this is a nice stretchy skirt. It has the little hem that comes up here on the side, so it's a rounded hem. And then I just put it on with this bright pink tank top, which does have the adjustable straps that I love. It was tied when I got it because it looks odd when that's not tied. It kind of sticks out a little bit, so it's meant for that. And here's the whole look. Nice and casual. And then my jean jacket is cut from the cloth in this super light wash since I am pretty chilly this morning. Alright, so this wraps up another what I wore video and outfit of the day. I hope you enjoyed it. I don't know why it sees something over there, doesn't he? I'll list all of my outfits down below, just so you know. If there's any I can link any of the items to, I will add links for that as well. So thanks so much. Please consider hitting that like button. Would love it if you'd hang around, hit that subscribe button, and if you've already subscribed, thank you, thank you, thank you. Till next time, everyone. Bye.